Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, this is Peace. It's quite dark here, but we are making dinner. So I'll be making some rice. So I'll start by adding cooking oil. Then right here we have our onions. This is one large onion. Then I'll go ahead and add in the rice. Then I'll add salt and then I'll cover and let it boil. So right now our rice is almost drying up. That's when we add our milk. I'll just cover and let the rice cook through until it's completely ready. So right now our rice is ready. You don't let it dry too much. That's the texture we want. So when you're serving it, you can either add a little yogurt or some greens or avocado, or you can even eat it plain. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.